Tired of digging through Jira menus just to add a teammate? Here's the exact 7-click path to add users instantly. We'll open your project, find the People menu, enter their details, assign a role, and confirm. Let's go. All right, so first things first, go ahead and open up your Jira account. Just sign in normally, nothing special here. You should land on your dashboard or wherever you last left off. And here's the thing I've noticed working with teams over the years. People often try to add users from the global settings, which is way more complicated than it needs to be. We're going to do this the easy way, directly from your project. So now that you're in, look over to the left side panel. You'll see your list of projects there. Just pick the one you want to add someone to. Click on it. That will take you into that project's main view. This is important because we're working from inside the project itself, not from some admin panel buried 3 menus deep. I've tested this approach across dozens of teams, and it's by far the most reliable. Now, here's where a lot of people get stuck. Put your mouse over your project name in that left panel again. Don't click it just yet. Instead, hover there, and you'll see 3 little dots appear next to the name. Click those 3 dots. This is one of those hidden menus in Jira that honestly should be more obvious, but once you know it's there, it becomes second nature. From that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Add People. Go ahead and click it. A new dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is the actual user addition form, and it's exactly what we came here for. Okay, this is the part where you actually tell Jira who to invite. In that form field, start typing the name or email address of the person you want to add. If they're already in your company's directory, their name will autocomplete pretty quickly. If not, just type their full email in there. I've found that using their work email works best, especially if your Jira is connected to something like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Now, pay attention to this one because it's the most important decision you'll make here. Right below where you entered their details, there's a drop-down for choosing their role. You'll see options like administrator, project lead, and developer. Don't just leave this as whatever it defaults to. Think about what this person actually needs to do in your project. If they just need to see tickets and comment, a lower permission role is fine. If they're going to be managing the board and creating sprints, you might want something with more access. I usually start people as developers unless they specifically need more, and you can always change it later. Once you've got the name and role set, just click the blue button that says Add One Person. It might take a second to process, especially if your Jira instance is a bit slower, so just wait for the confirmation to pop up. And that is it. Seriously, 7 clicks from start to finish. Your teammate is now in your project with the right permissions, and they can start working right away. No more digging through confusing settings, no more guessing where that option was hiding. You've got this down now. So the next time a new developer joins or a stakeholder needs visibility, you'll know exactly what to do. Go ahead and add that next person on your own.